Hello, it's Cam at Stafford Land Rover showing you today this brand new Land Rover Range Rover finished in Santorini black. This model features the Autobiography trim with a 3-litre D350 engine and paired with an automatic transmission. Large LED headlights and signature daytime running lights will keep the road well illuminated, giving the driver great visibility. And this car does stand on 22-inch alloy wheels with the diamond-turned satin dark grey contrast. This car does contain 900 litres of usable boot space capacity, which is perfect for families when going on trips for all the luggage or just everyday shopping. There is adjustable air suspension to help load heavier items into the car, and the boot can be closed automatically with just the push of a button. Stepping into the back, we see the rear panoramic sunroof and the semi-aniline perforated leather Perlino seats. They do contain ISOFIX points on each one, and the fold-down armrest does reveal 2 cup holders and a storage compartment. There is a rear climate control function with 2 USB ports underneath it, and the rear seats are electrically operated and feature different light settings for the passengers to enjoy. Making our way into the front, we do see the continuation of the Perlino leather. We also see the front panoramic sunroof, and these seats have additional side support for extra comfort on long journeys. And when switching over to the door, we can find the electrical controls for the front seats, which does include lumbar support. Taking a look at the two-tone, 2-spoke multifunctional steering wheel, we see on the left the controls for the virtual cockpit as well as voice control, and on the right the controls for cruise control as well as the heated steering wheel, which is going to be ideal in these winter months. The virtual cockpit itself does have different display options with complete customization of the left and right panel as well as the display layout as a whole. The main infotainment screen does include satellite navigation, which has useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations and nearby restaurants. There is radio with FM and DAB as well as standard Bluetooth connectivity, which allows for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The heated and ventilated seats can be controlled from the screen, and they do also feature massage settings in the front with various levels of power and different options to choose from. We can also access the 3D parking camera, and by putting the car into reverse we get access to the rear view parking camera as well. Below the infotainment screen we do find a storage compartment, which will slide back to reveal somewhere to store your phone, and you can charge it at the same time while out on the road. The automatic gear selector slides easily through different gears and is very comfortable to hold and use. Behind the center console we do have another sliding component which reveals 2 cup holders, which can also be slid back to reveal a deep storage compartment with another USB-C charger. And the armrest can be lifted up to reveal a storage pocket, which can also be ventilated. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this brand new Land Rover Range Rover Autobiography edition. For any more information, do get in touch with our sales team now.